Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're all having a wonderful Wednesday. I've had a wonderful day, and I just wanted to come on here and show you what's been going on in the nursery. Long time no see. I have been so very busy with my new diamond painting craft. If you haven't checked out some of my diamond painting videos, if you got time and don't you get bored, check them out. It's a wonderful, wonderful art, and I'm enjoying it. Been doing some coloring as well, and I have been taking a break from painting dolls, but I haven't taken a break from my babies. I am still all about the babies. And today was a very special day. We had a luncheon on my carport. My daughter came and her husband and brought their two children. One's 2, and the little boy's 2. He'll be 3 in November, and my granddaughter will be 1 in October. So she's outgrown a lot of things. And if you're looking at my full-bodied silicone Lily, she's in a brand new Mama Roo. They brought me, you would not believe. I'm going to turn the phone around and let you see what I've got. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I'm going to have to donate some, keep some, sell some. It's just, my nursery is tiny anyway, and it is packed. But I got this at Mama Roo was my grandchildren's, and it's just like brand new. The only thing that's broken is it had an arm that came out of the top where the mobile hung down over the baby, and it's broke off. But other than that, and my full-bodied Layla is loving it. I sold my other 2 silicones, so this is the only one that I will be having. I'm over. I'm over the silicones. I'm not going to be getting any more. As far as I make up my mind right now, this is it. I'm bonded with her, and her and have a very special bond, and she's just precious to me, and she's all I need. She was sculpted by Helen Connors and poured by Tracy Harrington, and she was painted by Margie Harrington, Tracy's mother. She's the Lily sculpt. She's my Lily Grace. She's got armatures. She has the soft silicone, the very smooshy, and she's a preemie. She's 15, 6, she's 16 inches long. And look what she's got on, guys, for Theme Thursday. It's a Burt's Bees onesie in a newborn size. She wears a newborn good, and it's got birds all over it. Because Miss Yvonne said birds. And here's her bottle. She got the boob bottle. Excuse my language, if that's what this looks like. This is her bottle. She does not have a drinking wet system. It's just to pretend. But I think since she's my only silicone, I'm going to leave her in the Mama Roo so she'll be safe. But I just wanted you to see her. I haven't shown you her in a while. And over here's 2 more I haven't shown you in a while. This is Bailey. She is the Ramsey sculpt by Cassie Brace. And she's laying here. Sometimes I have her as a boy, and sometimes I have her as a girl. But right now, she's a girl. She's got on this very adorable Vitamins romper. And it's got little yellow, happy, pink, blue, yellow birds all over it. And it's got these cute little short, puffy sleeves. And she's my Ramsey. And she's laying here in the bassinet. And with her is my Layla. Hey, Layla. Layla is, I believe she's the Jasmine Sculpt by Romy Stridham. She is signed by her artist, Donna, oh my goodness, guys, I forgot her last name. But she's got on a cute onesie with a beautiful embroidered parrot on the front. And it's white, and the parrot's in green and red and orange and trimmed in teal. And she's got on the cutest little tutu skirt. And she's got her bottle. And she's just laying here with Bailey. This is Bailey and this is Layla. I haven't shown you them in a while. And then now, I'm going to turn you around. I think I'm going to have to take that out of here. That's got my two toddlers in it. Tyler, which is the Prince George sculpt, and Ellie. They're there. My crib is full of babies. Oh my gosh, guys, look. I'm just going to scan. This is the box the Mama Roo was in. Look, guys. There's a box. It's full. Look, little socks that have not even been taken out of the package. Here's a sterilizing rack. Here is a play mat. Under the sea play mat. Here's a bumbo seat. I think that's what you call it. There's 3 big bags of clothes, guys. Look. They're huge bags. A lot of these clothes I had loaned my daughter when my granddaughter was born and my grandson. And they're all small. This is preemie. There's so many. There's a Gap. Look, here's some onesies that are still in the package. There's just so many. Now that was my grandson's. A little puppy dog velour sleeper. His clothes are in here too. His baby clothes. Oh, there's a cute little sleeper. And then we get back in the girls' stuff. There's a cute little shirt. Oh, guys, it's just everywhere. It's just so much. It's going to take me a while. Now, this one has got a bottle warmer. Oh, I've got a portable breast pump. This goes to the portable breast pump, I guess. Look at this. A whole bag of bottles. We got a bag of diapers. Oh. That's a breast pump, huh? I don't need a breast pump. Oh, thank goodness. I'm glad I don't. Down there's disposable nursing pads. Oh my gosh, guys. This is crazy. What is this? Double electric breast pump. A breast pump bra. What is that? Oh, that's bags for breast milk. Okay, this is a breastfeeding electric. Over here, this is an extra pad for the... We have a diaper warmer. Electric diaper warmer. They're on the dresser, Fred. They're on your dresser in your bedroom. We've got a bottle of... Sorry, my husband came in hunting the car keys. We have a bag full of Passy Clips pacifiers.